Here's the app called Payment for Stripe. So this is the app on for iPhone. Is finally here. On the past 8 years, Payment for Stripe has processed more than all other Stripe-based mobile payment apps combined. Apple Tap to Pay with Tap to Pay on iPhone and payment. You can accept all types of in-person contactless payments right on your iPhone. No extra readers or hardware needed. With support for the entire Stripe terminal suite of cards, you can now have several options for collecting payments, products and subscriptions, collect tips, taxes, and fees. So yeah, you can just set up the payment and then just accept payments in this just sell products at discount and include tax with card-based checkout. And then no terminal needed. Your customers can just hold near your phone, and then they will be able to pay. So this is the Pocket Wonder Inc. developer. I think there is also like official Stripe app, but no, this is like Stripe Express. I'm just using Stripe dashboard app. I haven't used it before. There is also, just like a Square point of sale app, which is quite popular. Charge Stripe, Invoice for Stripe, some other apps. So yes, this is the idea. And then you can just open it up, and then you can connect a Stripe account and just charge credit cards via manual entry or card readers. No monthly fees, no minimums. So this is one of the popular apps, and then you can just tap connect with Stripe and log in with your Stripe account.